Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore products that take your beauty routine to the next level. Today, we're looking at a mascara that promises bold, voluminous lashes that won't quit. e.l.f. Big Mood Waterproof Mascara. Does it really deliver on all those promises? Let's find out. And while you're here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a review like this. e.l.f. Big Mood Waterproof Mascara is designed to deliver volume, lift, and boldness to your lashes. It comes with an hourglass-shaped brush, which helps separate your lashes without clumping, ideal for those who want a bold look without the mess. The mascara is infused with Jojoba Wax, known for holding the curl of your lashes in place for hours, and it's completely waterproof and smudge-proof. So whether you're heading to a wedding or just battling the heat, this mascara promises to keep up. Now let's talk about real-world testing. I've been using this mascara for a few days, and I have to say, it definitely holds its own. The formula glides on smoothly, and the hourglass-shaped brush does an excellent job of separating the lashes. One coat gives a nice lift, but you can easily build it up for a more dramatic effect. The waterproof aspect is legit. I wore it all day, and not once did I notice smudging or flaking, which is always a win for me. However, let's be honest, nothing is perfect. If you have really fine lashes, you might need to spend a little more time layering the product to achieve the boldest volume. While it's great at holding a curl, it might not give you the false lash look that some volumizing mascaras deliver, but it's definitely a step up from your everyday formula. When it comes to value, e.l.f. continues to impress with its affordable pricing, especially for a waterproof, long-lasting product. You're getting a mascara that's cruelty-free, vegan, and packed with skin-loving ingredients like jojoba wax without breaking the bank. It's great for those who want a solid, everyday mascara without splurging on high-end brands. In comparison to other mascaras in this price range, it definitely holds its own. There are a few budget-friendly alternatives out there, but the combination of a waterproof formula, volume, and lift makes this one stand out. The packaging is sturdy, and while the mascara is lightweight, the quality feels premium for the price. The tube isn't bulky, so it's easy to travel with, and the product itself lasts quite a while without drying out. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, e.l.f. has always been reliable in handling customer inquiries and offering good after-sales service. Though I didn't need to reach out personally, their reputation for handling issues quickly is a plus. Now for alternatives. If you're looking for something more affordable, Maybelline's Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara is a great choice for bold lashes on a budget. It doesn't have the jojoba wax, but it's equally waterproof and long-lasting. To wrap up, e.l.f. Big Mood Waterproof Mascara is a solid choice for anyone looking to boost lash volume and length without the fuss. It's not the most dramatic mascara out there, but it certainly delivers on its promises of boldness and lift, all while keeping your lashes in place throughout the day. I'd recommend this to anyone who wants a reliable, no-smudge mascara that holds up to everyday wear. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts.